we are. We just entered new territory that we've never been on before on the canal. We're on the Middlewich branch of Shropshire Union, and we've got to do a sharp right down this arm. And Mr. B is a bit nervous about it because he's got to do the steering. So yeah, we've got a 70-foot boat, so it's quite an angle to get the boat at to get through. That road there apparently is the A51. Didn't hear any noise from it last night, so it was sort of tucked away behind a pub, and yeah, very peaceful, very quiet. So we're just sort of going through a narrow bit here on the canal, which has probably got a gate somewhere. Just look in the distance there's a boat just coming out where we've got to turn right. So hopefully we've timed it okay, because if not, we're going to have to hang around if another boat's coming through, and that's when you start running into problems, because you want to get your boat at a certain angle, but if you've got to sort of hover around on the canal, floating around in the current a bit, it can put you into a position you don't want to be in. So let's just see what happens as we get closer. Can't see anything directly behind it at the moment, so that's good. Just approaching now. So he's going straight. We're turning right because we're going to do the what they call the Four Counties ring. So I think he's going to angle himself over to the left to start with, to try and swing round down this little space. Makes you wonder really why, when it was built, they did it so tightly, because when they did build the canals originally, they were for 70-foot working boats. That was the whole main aim of the canals, to move goods up and down the country. Probably the same as they do now. They cut corners, don't they? Literally. Here we go. So we're going to just swing around now. Mr. B's giving it a few more revs, I think, just to... It's quite calm today. It's a beautiful day actually, and very little wind. But yesterday, huge winds. How that would have affected this, I don't know. Just being careful not to clip the back here now, because managed to do. There we go, we're going round, round, round. There's your sign, Shropshire Union Canal. So it's going to be the Middlewich branch that we're going down. Now I think we're going to be going backwards now. Yeah, whoop, just a bit of a nudge at the front there, which is fine. You can nudge the front. There's a proper fender at the front, which is designed especially for that. As we go into this bridge number 1, there we go. As we go under this bridge to the right, there's a Chandler's actually, which is a name for a shop on the canal or on any sort of boating area. And you can buy all your bits and pieces that you need. Probably, I've not been in there, but it probably does some basic foods as well. But we're quite stocked up at the moment, having spent some time in Middlewich. So there we go, just lining up now. Mr. B's done it well. Yeah, all that apprehension for nothing, eh? Boats here, sign there reminding you, dead slow, past some moored boats. The reason for that is that you do create a bit of a wash as you go past, and yeah, it does affect your ornaments can fall, etc. So yeah, it's polite and good manners to slow right down to what we call tick over on the engine, just so it's a peaceful transition as we go past the moored boats. And there we B's done it. Well done, Mr. B.
A few problems. Got there in the end.
Good.
Although I got the angle wrong actually.
Did you?
About it, yeah. Which is often the case.
See, as a boy, he should be getting the angles right, but he obviously didn't. Well, he did all right. It seemed all right to me. It seemed quite smooth. So anyway, here we go. Signing off now, and then we'll update you as we get further and find some interesting bits.